Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for Samsung TV owners, the universal remote control from EWO'S. Let's see what makes this remote stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk about key features. This remote is specifically designed for Samsung TVs, offering compatibility with a wide range of models, from LED to QLED, UHD to SUHD, HDR to LCD, and even 4K to 8K. Plus, it's equipped with shortcut buttons for popular streaming services like Netflix and Prime Video, as well as a dedicated button for web browsing. Convenience at your fingertips. One of the best things about this remote is how easy it is to use. There's no need for any complicated programming or setup. Simply insert two batteries, and you're good to go. It's that simple. And with a transmitting distance of over 40 feet and stable performance, you can control your TV from virtually anywhere in the room. Now, let's talk compatibility. Whether you own a Samsung Smart TV from the 6 series all the way up to the latest models like the Q90T or Q950TS, this remote has got you covered. It's compatible with a wide range of Samsung TV remotes, so you can enjoy all the functionality of the original remote without any compromises. And if you ever encounter any issues or have questions about your purchase, EWO'S has got your back with their excellent after-sale service. With a commitment to 100% customer satisfaction, you can rest assured that any concerns will be addressed promptly and professionally. So there you have it, folks, the universal remote control from EWO'S, the perfect companion for your Samsung TV. With its ease of use, extensive compatibility, and dedicated shortcut buttons, it's a must-have accessory for any Samsung TV owner. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy streaming!